Good day, everyone. My name is Choi Shi from Asia Eastern University of Science and Technology. Today, I will share the topic, Integrating Regenerative Design and Cultural Heritage, Advancing Sustainable Fashion Education. Here, let me start with the research motivation. This topic connects sustainability, culture, and fashion education. We recycle textile waste and take inspiration from Hakka ceramics, creating fashion that's eco-friendly and culturally meaningful. To explain this, let's first look at the research background. We use two key frameworks. First, the circular economy, turning waste into resource. Second, Kohl's learning theory, students learn through doing, reflecting, and experimenting. Now let's see how these theories are applied. The process had 4 steps: collecting textile waste, researching Hakka ceramics, designing and producing, and reflecting on the learning outcomes. The inspiration came strongly from Hakka ceramics. Hakka ceramics are rich in color, patterns, and craftsmanship. They balance practicality and beauty, and we use them as our design language in fashion. So how did we use this with textile waste? We work with old clothes, leftover fabrics, and factory scraps. Students cut, reassembled, and wove them into new fabrics, aiming for zero waste design. The next step was to practice weaving and craft. Students tried basic hand weaving. This built passion, craft skills, and creativity, while transforming waste into something new. Then also resource surprising materials. We use plastic bags, bubble wrap, yarn, and fabric stripe. The idea was to receive waste as potential design material. With these materials, students begin creative weaving. Students made small weaving samples like sketches. Their stage was playful and experimental, exploring texture and patterns. Then push experimental further. These samples mix color, texture, and structure. Each one expresses a unique design voice. But design needs to move into fashion. Students model their creations. The design and bold and expressive, proving that waste plus tradition equal new fashion. Let's take a close look at the more weaving results. Students added unusual objects and textures. It shows imagination and open exploration. And some works expanded to larger pieces. Here, weaving becomes larger and more complex. Students scaled up from samples to big texture pieces. This idea also connects to ceramics through a phrase. Colors from pottery fade. Like pottery glaze, weaving creative and expected outcomes. The phrase reminds us that chance and process are part of creativity. Let's see 2 detailed students' case studies. One work, Celadon Memories, shows smooth gradients inspiration by Hakka pottery. Another, colors from pottery fat, mixed rough and soft textures. Both fuse tradition and modern fashion. Now let's see how they look in styled photography. Each outfit reflects students' own identity. It shows recycling is not just technical, it's personal. And this resonates with global fashion. Professional runways also use weaving, texture, and boat reuse. This shows students' works connect with international fashion trends. Now, what did students actually learn? Students gain from main skills: sustainability, cultural literacy, technical crafts, and creativity. Results: 85% improve awareness, 78% stronger creativity, 92% deeper cultural sensitivity. And this connects directly with the UN Sustainability Development Goal. Our project supports SDG 4 education, SDG 12, and SDG 17. It shows that fashion education and impact both local and globally. But sustainability is not only technical, it's also emotional. We focus on making clothes people want to keep the cherish. Every piece carried personal stories and cultural memories. This shifts fashion from fast to lasting. Finally, let's look at conclusions. This project proves that combine tradition with sustainability, enhance creativity, awareness, and cultural sensitivity. Future directions expand to more cultural, check long-term impact, and build wider communities in sustainability fashion. And I will close with the reference and final thoughts. Here are the references supporting this research. But the main point is sustainability fashion is not only about making clothes. It's about connecting waste, culture, and innovation. Thank you very much for listening. I hope this presentation shows how fashion education can be a tool for sustainability, culture, and the future.